Moses and I are doing math right now, and we just finished doing our read alouds. And I think we're going to have a cozy day at home. So come along and join us. We might go to the library or work in the yard. I'm not really sure. Library? I'm not really sure what we're going to do today. We just got back from the library, and I thought I would share some of the books that I checked out. I don't know if I'll like them or if I'll finish them or anything like that, but I just grabbed several because you never know what you're going to click with. This one is called The Wish Book Christmas by Lynn Austen. I really like Lynn Austen's books. I like her style quite a bit, and I haven't seen this one. It's kind of small, so that's nice. And this one, I don't know if I will like this at all, but the cover looked really good. It's called His and Hers by Alice Feeney. I think it's like a thriller, so it might be like too intense for me, but we'll see. And this one, the cover was so beautiful. It's called Paint and Nectar. And it like goes, I really like books that go from the past to the present and tie it all in together, and this one does that. And what I'm reading right now is, I started this one last night, Tied Up in Knots. It's about Don Knotts, and his daughter Karen wrote it. And I really love Don Knotts. I think he was just so phenomenal in Andy Griffith, and as a person he just seems really interesting to me and very different from his characters. And I'm also reading The Divide. This I have like a third of this left, and I really liked it for a while, and now I'm not so sure about it, but I'm gonna finish it. This one, my husband kind of makes fun of me about it. It's like a Mennonite apocalyptic book, but it works. Trust me, it works, and I like her. It's by Jolena Petersheim. I like her style quite a bit. So yeah. Oh, and we also turned in the kids' summer reading like papers. They have to mark the time that they read, and then they have to do like 8 activities, and then they get it's called a passport, and it's really fun. It has like different coupons on it, like free chicken nuggets from Chick-fil-A, cheesy bread from Little Caesars. Yeah, it's really fun to use these up, and they also give you a fine waiver card, and these definitely come in handy. So we'll have 3 this year to use because we're not organized, and I don't want to say we always have fines, but it's a struggle. So
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay. every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Nowhere I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky.